Welcome back to KAB Television. Let us continue our discussion on Jawahar Knowledge Centers with Professor Chandrasekhar Garu. Sir, generally, in which year a student should register for JKC training? In which month of the year should a college approach JKC?
Generally, we keep the registrations open at the beginning of the academic year. Maybe we start notifying college registrations, student registrations in the month of June, July. We take registrations up to August, and then we start the training programs.
Okay.
So students can register either in second year or third year or final year, but the registration is one-time registration. So we recommend students to take registrations from second year so that he has lot of time to take training sessions and improve his employable skills.
Experience of the JKC so far, how effective it is so far?
So if you look at the effectiveness, maybe you can look at the acceptability among the stakeholders. Say, I told you we started this program with about 50 colleges, and we have reached about 600 colleges. If the stakeholders do not see a value in this, I don't think the stakeholders would volunteer to register for JKC. The other success rate can be, you can see at the employment that is being created through JKC and compare it with normal employment. So generally, if you look at the numbers, so we only have the statistics about direct employment that is done through JKC before the student leaves the college. But there are several other opportunities which are being offered to the student even after he leaves the college. So if you sum up all these employment opportunities that we create, the employment opportunity is around 30 to 35%, which is a reasonably good number, especially when you are looking at the major jobs that are there in the private sector.
We have some callers online, and we will take calls from the callers.
President Chandrasekhar garu maku oka engineering college undandi. Aa college మీ JKS లో రిజిస్టర్ చేయాలంటే ఫార్మాలిటీ చేయండి సార్.
College, if you want to register with JKC, we have the notification given in June, July. You have to download the form, and once you download the form, there are several details that you need to fill up. Maybe most of them are very routine details, like who is the principal, what is the contact point, what are the courses that you offer, all these. If you fill it up and send it back along with a registration fee which is fixed by Government of AP, then your college is registered for JKC program, and you will be receiving all the JKC training sessions that we offer to the students.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ JKC లో రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల మాకు వచ్చేటువంటి అడ్వాంటేజెస్ చెప్పగలరా సార్?
See, if you are registered with JKC, and the students who are registered through you will get all training programs without any fees. That is first thing. All the students can take part in the training classes and training sessions. The second thing is, if they want to take a certification like DB2 or certification program in .NET, which is available in market for say 10,000, ranging from 10,000 to 20,000, we offer the training free of cost. Even the certification cost, which is generally 4,000 to 5,000 in the market, for a JKC student it is available at 40% to 50% discount. That is the third benefit that the student gets. Then the student can participate in several industry contests, like say Aspirations 2020, which is done by Infosys. We also guide students for the Great Mind Challenge contest, which is offered by IBM. Similarly, ThinkQuest contest, which is given by Oracle. So this is the fourth benefit. The last benefit is he will be eligible to participate in campus placements for the companies which come through JKC.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ సోషల్లీ ఛాలెంజ్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి గురించి నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు వీళ్ళకి ఏమన్నా మీకు కన్సెషన్ ఇవ్వటం కానీ లేదా ఫైనాన్షియల్ సపోర్ట్ కానీ అలాంటిది ఏమన్నా మీరు ఇస్తున్నారా సార్? గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాలో ఒక స్కీమ్ ఉంది పిల్లలకి, వాళ్ళు ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసినా ఇలా ప్రీ ప్లేస్మెంట్ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నా కానీ ఎస్సీ ఎస్టీ పిల్లలకి గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఫండింగ్ చేస్తుంది. అలాంటి ఫెసిలిటీ ఏమైనా మీరు యూజ్ చేసి ఎస్సీ ఎస్టీ ఫ్రీ ట్రైనింగ్ అనుకోవడానికి అవకాశం ఉందా సార్?
ఎస్సీ ఎస్సీ స్టూడెంట్స్కి మేము చాలా నామినల్ ఫీజు పెట్టాము. అంటే టు create interest in the program. We are not charging the SC/ST students on par with other students, but the Government of India support which you said for training, pre-placement training that you are offering, that we have done for at least 5 to 6 batches in the state of Andhra Pradesh when compared to 1 or 2 batches in any other states, not more than 1 or 2 in other states. We have done about 6 to 7 batches in AP only for socially challenged sections and minorities. In this initiative, we have approached Government of India for support, but we were not very successful in getting the funds released from Government of India. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for calling. We have a, it seems that we have a caller online. Sir, please go ahead, sir.
Professor Chandrasekhar garu, namaskaram andi.
Namaste Andi.
మేము ఒక ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజీకి వెళ్ళామండి. మా కాలేజీకి జేకేసీ ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంది కాబట్టి 100% ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ వస్తాయని చెప్తున్నారు. ఎంతవరకు నిజం సార్ ఇది?
జేకేసీ ప్రోగ్రాంలో జాయిన్ అయినంత మాత్రాన 100% ప్లేస్మెంట్లు అనేవి అది ఒక మిథ్య. సో ఇఫ్ ది స్టూడెంట్ డస్ వాట్ హీ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ టు డూ విత్ ది గైడెన్స్ ఆఫ్ జేకేసీ, దెన్ హీ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ బీ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ఇన్ గెటింగ్ ఏ జాబ్. మీరు స్టూడెంట్స్ను ఎంతవరకు మొబిలైజ్ చేసి, ఎంతవరకు మోటివేట్ చేసి ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ని ఎంత సీరియస్గా తీసుకుంటారు అనేది ఒక పెద్ద ఛాలెంజ్. ఇప్పటికీ మేము 5 ఏళ్ళు అయిన తర్వాత కూడా ఈవెన్ టుడే వీఆర్ ఫేసింగ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. సో రీచింగ్ 100% employment strike rate, I think it is very difficult. Maybe if we can reach 60-70%, then we will be very happy. But we will aim to reach 100% in the due course of time.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి మీరు ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ఇప్పిస్తానని చెప్పారండి మీ జేకేసీ ద్వారా.